Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you something really cool. It's a toy hauler. It's a Sandstorm SLC 245 GSLC. This one's a really cool one. It's got a really nice sized garage. We also got the power tongue jack and the propane tanks on the front. This one's a really nice coach, guys. You can haul all your toys up in here. They got some space for a little bit of storage right here on the outside. It's quite beautiful. You also got a chance for these power stabilizer jacks right here. With the push of a button, you'll be able to just extend those jacks and keep your rig stable. You also got the power awning on the outside here. It does have a heated and enclosed underbelly, which is a really nice feature, especially if you're going in a little colder areas and stuff like that. You'll be able to keep your pipes going, which is really nice. But let's go what we're all here for, which is the inside, yeah? Check it out. All right, so here we are, guys. We're inside of the coach. This is the 245 GSLC. It's a really nice rig we got going on here. It's got your kitchen essentials. We got the bigger sized oven. We also have the 3-burner stove cooktop, the microwave. We also got this, look at the size on this refrigerator. It's the 8 cubic feet refrigerator, so it's a lot more space than kind of what you're used to in the smaller trailers or smaller toy haulers. If you come all around here, we've got our buttons right here, as well as some chances for storage, and a place for some more storage, and a place where you can put a TV right here. You've got your hookups right on the top there. It's got the radio as well, so if you want to jam out with your homies. You also got some more chances for storage. This one's a nice one, guys. I really like this one. Check out this living space here. Okay, we're in a 13-foot garage here, okay? So if you got toys, you can Tetris them around any way that you'd like. 13 feet is a good amount of space. And so we got these 2 reclining chairs. They are movable as well. So if you want to just manipulate the furniture how you want, you can totally do that. We also got some solid surface countertops here. Really, really quality stuff. And it's also removable as well, which is super, super nice. Also got the faucet here, nice trendy looking one. More chances for storage on the top and on the bottom here. Okay, so when you're out on the dunes or out riding the toys, you can still have a lot of space for, you know, stuff like eating and stuff like that. Oh, and even more storage right above here. Check this out. Nice. Nice and spacious. And in this living room area, this one's really cool. We got the ramp over there, okay? We also got the table. This does come split, so you can just put them both together. And then you also got the opposite side where you can play card games, hang out, watch while everyone's riding the toys, or anything like that. So that's really cool. It also has the bunk bed right above that too. And with the push of a button, you can even just lift these 2 things up. Just with the push of a button. Super nice and super convenient. So really beautiful coach. It's also got that screen protector there too, so you can still be outside but also like have the screen right there too. So come on into the bedroom here. In the bedroom, it's got dual entry, so as soon as you walk in right over here, there's a door there to the bathroom. And then there's also another access into the bathroom as well. So take a look in that bathroom. You all good? Check it out. Nice and spacious. And then this is into the bedroom right here. So come on and take a look. Nice space. It is on the slide out, so it gives you a lot more space to walk around, which is really nice and really convenient. You also got this mirror here, which is a little bit of a detachable thing too. So if you're getting ready, hi Gary, say hi Gary. If you're getting ready there, you can just go ahead and put it on down. And there's even places for, you know, storage on this side as well, on the top and on the bottom. So you got that on the slide out there, the bed here. Then you also have a little bit of storage underneath here. Just right under here, you can put your shoes or any other things like that. This one does have solar too, so your batteries will never really die, you know, long life. So, and a generator too. Yeah, that's a good point, Gary. There's a generator on this, which is kind of hard to come by nowadays. Guys, if you like this coach or this toy hauler, feel free to give me a call, okay? Would love to help you out. My phone number is 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle, and would love to talk to you. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.